So notice my goal is to figure out which of these three is true. And obviously it could be multiple are true, but we can get a little strategic. Let's look at the answer options to figure out which of the three Roman numerals, if we determine if it's true or not, will eliminate the most answer options. So for example, if Roman numeral 1 is true, I've only eliminated option D, right? If Roman numeral 2 is true, then obviously we get the right answer right away because that's the only one that has Roman numeral 2. But if it's not true, then we only eliminated option B. Now for Roman numeral 3, whether it's true or not, if it's true, we're down to just C and D. If it's not true, we're down to just A and B. So that's the one that regardless of the outcome, will give us the best probability, right? A 50-50 chance there. So let's start with Roman numeral 3. So here it says about 34% of the students who reported using a desktop as their primary computer were third-year students. Okay, so let's see. So of students who reported using a desktop as their primary computer, that's going to be the denominator. So if we look at the row of desktop, the total number of those individuals was 2,449. And in the numerator, we would put third-year students who obviously had used their desktop. So the intersection here is 842. If we do our division, 842 divided by 2,449, we get, and you can make that a percent by multiplying by 100, we get about 34%. So that is accurate. So since it's accurate, we can automatically eliminate options A and B that don't include Roman numeral 3. And then now, what's the difference between C and D? Well, it's just between whether Roman numeral 1 or Roman numeral 2. So we can choose whichever one seems easier to work on. Roman numeral 1 looks with less wording, so I might do that. About 1 in 3 students in the survey use a tablet as their primary computer. Now notice it says in the survey, so that means the total is going to be the denominator here. Of those 8,000, how many use a tablet as their primary? And so if we look at the intersection, let me get rid of some of this other stuff. So if we look at the intersection of the tablet and the total, we know that's 2,652. Let's do our division. 2,652 divided by 8,000. So is that about the same as 1 in 3? Yeah, that's pretty accurate. So that means Roman numeral 1 is also true. And if Roman numeral 1 is true, that makes C the correct answer. And we didn't even have to look at Roman numeral 2.